welcome to the Best Buy vlog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Smartmi P1 air purifier. In the box of the P1 you'll find the product itself, a product manual, a power adapter, and a charging cable. The P1 ships assembled with a HEPA filter already inside, and it comes with a little leather strap. This is a really modern, sleek air purifier designed to quickly and efficiently clean the air of a small, maybe a small to medium room, and it has app integration. I'm hooking it up to my Wi-Fi right here and adding it to the Smartmi app, which will allow you to also enable things like voice controls through like Amazon Alexa, HomeKit, stuff like that. Because this product features true HEPA air filtration, you can expect it to meet a certain standard. Sorry, as I'm talking, you can just watch the different fan speeds and powers. The silent one is super quiet, but it's very gentle, and the highest function is super powerful. You can watch that manual blow upwards. With the true HEPA air filtration, this product will remove 99.98% of particles 80 nanometers or larger from the air, plus 99.99% of smoke from the air within an hour. It can clean the air of a 320 square foot room within 20 minutes, and that's sort of like the size of room that it's optimized for. But if you go smaller and use this on its highest setting, you can clean through your air much faster. Smartmi estimates just 6.5 minutes for the P1 to clean the air of a 100 square foot room, something really small like a bedroom. Despite its quick working speed, this product is really lightweight and portable, and it comes with a cool smart feature if you connect it to your phone. You can not only change its settings, but also look at graphs of your air quality at home. If you're looking for a stylish little air purifier, I would definitely check out the Smartmi P1. I've been really happy with its performance, and it's done a great job of cleaning not just smells, but also allergens like pollen and pet dander out of the air. And because it's wildfire season in Alberta right now, I notice a significant difference when I close my windows and turn this on. It really cleans the smoke out of the air quickly, so I'm feeling like awake and refreshed. Make sure to check out my full review of this product at the Best Buy blog if you're looking for an air purifier with smart home integration and HEPA filtration. Thanks for watching.